Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Plant Yard YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about how to propagate a wax begonia cutting within the water. As you can see that we have placed one cutting of begonia wax since 35 days back. Although very little roots are there, very little roots. You can see, let me zoom a bit so that you can see it properly. Now you can see I have zoomed a bit, and since 35 days obviously the roots used to develop from like 25 days. Okay, after 25 days, and within 10 days they used to be like this, a very little growth in a lot of time, and maybe it is due to some bit cold weather. Okay, if it is winter, if it is summer, we can say that we have a lot of roots. But if it is winter, obviously the begonia used to a bit halt. Okay, because our winter is very cold. In morning it is sometimes less than 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, now I will show you the temperature of today, because temperature used to play a lot of role. Okay, so you can see it is 8.1 degrees Celsius. Okay, relative humidity is at 52%. Okay, so we can say that the humidity is okay. Now after the plant starts rooting properly, then it is obviously the best thing to report it in the media, some sort of media, like some bit mixture of like 50% sand and 50% simple garden soil, because it used to like a bit of well drainage media. You must have to do some sort of drainage holes in any pot in which you want to place the begonia. So hopefully you got the concept regarding how to propagate begonia wax within the water.